When you describe yourself and things that matter to you, you describe them in different timelines. Perhaps you're telling a story of your life that happened in the past. Or you're telling about an event that is happening now. Or perhaps you're talking about your plans for the future. In this lesson, we'll talk about the most common timeline instruments. I am sure you've heard the names of present simple, past simple, and present perfect. You don't have to remember these names. It's not important at all. But these are the three instruments you'll use to talk about your daily routine, important past events, and achievements. The key timeline instruments to introduce yourself are the following. I do, verb in the first form, to talk about your daily routine, likes and dislikes, hobbies, interests, work, etc. For example, I meet a new colleague and she asks me about my methods of teaching. Basically, she asks me about my teaching routine, how I normally do it. So I will tell her, normally I arrange a consultation with a new student so we can talk about their goals. Then I add them to the learning platform where they practice on their own. Twice a week, we have a face-to-face class where we practice spoken English. Have you noticed that I used the first form of the verb when I was talking about my teaching routine? I arrange, we can talk, I add, they practice, we have. Another example, the same colleague takes me out for lunch and asks me about my hobbies and interests. So I will tell her, I like dancing and playing the piano. I also enjoy reading books, but my big hobby is traveling. Have you noticed? I use the first form of the verb again because I was describing general things about myself. I like, I enjoy, my hobby is.